if k is equal to n plus 2 times n minus 2, where n is an integer greater than 2, what is the value of k? So what do we have here? It looks like we have a difference of squares. So if we want to, we can write this as k is equal to n squared minus 4. And other than that, not much. So let's look at the statements. Let's maybe we'll start with the second statement, because it looks like the second statement's a bit easier, because it should be an easy insufficient. All we know is k is less than 100. Well, there's still plenty of values here. So if n is equal to 6, we have 6 squared minus 4, which is 32. So that's less than 100, so that works. And then if n is equal to 7, we would have 7 squared minus 4, so 49 minus 4, so k could also be equal to 45. Insufficient. So statement 1 now. So now we know k is the product of 2 primes. So we got to think about this now, because here, now see, I don't really know if this is going to be super helpful, because talking about k as the product of 2 primes. So this is the format where k is being expressed as the product of 2 things. So what do I know about our 2 terms here? So I have n plus 2 and I know n minus 2. So that means if I'm going up 2 and then I'm going down 2, I should end up at a place that is 4 apart from where I started. So k is the product of 2 numbers that are 4 apart from each other. And in this case, 2 primes that are 4 apart from each other. So I got to start writing out my primes here and looking for ones that are 4 apart from each other. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So let's see, is this good enough? So if I can find 2 different ones that are 4 apart from each other, remember, I can't be using this statement now. I'm only looking at this one. And I can say this is insufficient. So 3 and 7, those are 4 apart from each other. And then 7 and 11 as well. So k could be equal to 21, or it could be equal to 77. So this guy's insufficient. So now I got to be looking for together the product of 2 primes where that product is less than 100. So it looks like, based on I found the 2 lowest examples I could here, and I'm already pretty close to 100. However, we can actually reuse both of these examples because they're both less than 100, and so I still have at least 2 options. These might be the only 2 options, it looks like, but it's still 2 options. If k can be equal to 21 or 77, both of those numbers can be expressed as the product of 2 primes that are 4 away from each other. So the answer is going to be E.